Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can change your nickname on your Binance account. Nicknames are the customized names which are different from your real or your social name. So for this, first make sure you have the application on your phone and you are already logged in. As I already have the application, let's hop in. Now at this home page, at the top left corner, you can see the Binance app icon. Tap over there. At this page, you can see that your auto-generated name is user6c39a. Now you can simply tap on that name. Now beside your name, you can see the small edit icon. Tap over there. You can remove the nickname that was auto-generated from Binance app and write down your own nickname. Now after you are done writing your nickname, all you have to do is tap on the option Save. Binance app makes sure that you can only modify your nickname one time per 30 days. Tap on the option Continue. Now you can see that my nickname has been changed from the auto-generated one. And this is how simply you can change your nickname on your Binance app. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.